Hi, this is Dan. I wanted to show how to create mates in this program called FullAuto. It works with A2 Plus, which is a FreeCAD assembly program. And once you put the folder into the mod folder, you get this workbench called A2 Plus More. And to use the program, you click on the FullAuto, and this comes up. To make constraints with this program, you do not need to use the control key. You do not need to use these. The program takes what features you pick, and it creates a default constraint for those features. Such as here, I selected two flat planes, so it creates a plane constraint number 001. In this case, my radiator fan is backwards, so I can click direction opposed, and it makes it aligned, and it turned the fan around correctly. So next we need to make a hole, and you don't need to OK this, because as soon as you click on a new surface, it's created the constraint. And if you've already picked the first surface, come over here, we pick the second feature, and it creates a axis coincident because we picked two cylinders. That's logical choice for that. You can click on that feature, come over to the block, click on that hole, and it's once again said, oh, two cylinders. The most logical one that you want is that part. Now if you want to verify where those are, you can click on, we'll say this bolt here. You can click this one up here, makes it transparent. You can click view on, and there's where the constraint is that bolt. You hit the loop, and you can see where that is. There's one surface, both surfaces, and it just keeps looping through there. So I turn the view off, click that a couple times to bring it back solid. And if you want to edit one of these constraints, the last constraint we made was the axis coincidence. But if you click on this plane coincidence, we are now editing the plane coincidence. The last created is still the axis coincidence. If you want to change the distance from here to the block, you can type it in here, or type it in the box here. Click update, and you see that it goes out to 10 inches. We can set that back to 0 here. Well, we can make it plus or minus here. We can set it back to 0 here, and the last created is still same, stays the axis coincidence, even though we are editing the plane coincident one. So that's video 1. Hope that helps you understand it. We'll see you in a bit. Bye.